The first time I came into Omu Estate, I thought this is a huge vision. So it was a mixed feeling. 1 minute I was thinking, I was talking to my husband thinking that we can do this. And the next time we're thinking, I don't think we want to. So it was mixed until we decided this is the vision that we had. And we prayerfully made the decision that this is what we want to do. So walking into phase 2 was inspiring as well.
There is a special joy that comes with you using your money wisely, investing it in the right place. This is an handing over of key to a satisfied client who bought into this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex with BQ in Omu Estate phase 2. This can be you if you decide to take action in owning this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex. I want you to listen to what she said after we hand over this key to her.
The first time I came into Omu Estate, I thought this is a huge vision. So it was a mixed feeling. 1 minute I was thinking, I was talking to my husband thinking that we can do this. And the next time we're thinking, I don't think we want to. So it was mixed until we decided this is the vision that we had, and we prayerfully made the decision that this is what we want to do. So walking into phase 2 was inspiring as well, to have a look at what was already going on by the time we came, even though it wasn't as developed as it is right now. What I need to tell others that are thinking or not sure, or I've heard and thinking, no, that's beyond me, I can't do it. What I have to tell them is set your mind on it. Be clear on your vision, keep your focus, and know that you're investing in a place that you're not going to lose out. Because I know people have had bad experiences, and that is usually their reason for not investing. So what I would say to others is trust the process and trust the developer you're dealing with. Omu Estate, Red Brick's a good developer to work with in regards to bringing your vision to pass. But you work with the process no matter how tough it is, and you will get your vision, physical manifestation of vision at the end. I would recommend Omu Estate again and again to whoever wants to go for it, because I think that it would be best for them. They need to make sure they know exactly what they want, and Omu Estate will deliver.
Congratulations, time for jubilation.
I want to also tell you congratulations. This 4-bedroom fully detached duplex with BQ right here in Omu Estate phase 2, you deserve to own one. The price for this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Omu Estate phase 2 is going for $190,000, which is over 206 million in naira. We have 6-month payment plan, we have 12-month payment plan. We also have outright payment plan. You can do initial deposit and spread the payments depending on the payment plan you want to use. You can see how this woman is very happy in this handing over. I want you to watch the testimony of this new family that just moved to their house. I want you to know that when you buy this house, we'll invite our celebrity guests to come and welcome you specially. Just watch what we did to this new family that just moved into this same house I'm asking you to purchase. Watch this testimony and watch this special visit by Funke Akindele as he visits this new neighbor.
Everything you put your hand go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go.
Hello, yes, I am in Amen Phase 2. We have these beautiful couples that just moved into Amen Phase 2. Yes, the house is complete and we're here wearing shirts. Come with me. Hello, my name is Funke Akindele from Amen Phase 1. Wow! So I come bearing gifts for the family. Wow! Are you happy that what you paid for you got it in Amen Phase 2?
Yes. Yeah, because there are a lot of people who have this dream, who come back home and meet absolutely nothing. So the not only being happy at the house itself, but most importantly, being happy to deal with a company that has integrity, that you can trust, because that is not very easy to find in this day and age.
I know. In Nigeria.
Yes. So that's not very easy to find.
I know.
Yeah. So happy. The other thing that I'm happy about, yes, there are some challenges, when you build a new house. It's built by people.
Yes.
There's no perfection, but the extent that Amen Estate has gone to address these little issues is absolutely remarkable. Customer service is, in my opinion, is totally outstanding.
Put your hand go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen. Amen.
Here, family number 2. They just moved into Amen Estate Phase 2. Enough friends I have now. I will be eating lunch. I'm fine. Thank you. I love this beautiful house. Yes. Thank you. Let me say welcome to Amen Phase 2. Because we are the big scale of Amen Estate. What? Big scale. The overall big girl. The number one big scale of Amen Estate.
I wear the big man of the
Big boy, big girl. Hey! We're big ones. Nice to see you, sir. We're big ones.
There's so much good is about you.
Thank you, sir. I hope you're enjoying Amen Estate.
There's no better place to be.
Thank you so much.
It's called Amen. After your prayer, what do you say?
Amen.
Amen. That's the father of most of it.
Amen. Yes. So I thought to come with fruits.
Oh, you see our fruits.
That's what I'm taking.
And I love the basket too. It's not just the fruit.
Amen Estate is real. Is where families should live.
It's a peaceful
It's a peaceful environment. Thank you so much.
It's home for us. It's home for us.
If you want a home, it's a home. Go away from home.
I want you also to watch this video as one of us take you around and show you this house.
Home sweet home. This is a 4-bedroom duplex villa. It has 3 rooms upstairs. The guest room is downstairs, 2 sitting rooms, which is 1 upstairs, 1 downstairs. The boys' quarter is attached to the house. Come along with me and I'll just take you through every part of the house. Wow, home sweet home. So when you walk in, you're walking into the ante room. From the ante room to the living room. Yes, this house is already furnished to the taste of the client. We also have the furniture package. But this is the living room. From the living room, you have the dining area. And My favorite part of the house is the kitchen. I love the whole setup of this kitchen and the color combination, cream, white, and brown. It just depicts coolness. So there's an area, it has a heat extractor, cooker. Okay, the cooker doesn't come with the house, it's part of the furniture package. But every other thing about the cabinet arrangement comes with the house, even with the kitchen island, it comes with the house. Let's go upstairs. Look at this area. This can be your box room, or you can get creative with it. It's a bonus in the house, under the stairs. So let's go upstairs. Oh, I also like the way the stairs are progressing. It's not hard to climb. Very, very easy. So it's not so high, just one at a time. Stairs. Well thought out. Yeah. So this is one of the rooms. It's wide enough, can take a 6x6 bed. You still have a space for dresser, and a space for the wardrobe to the side. So the room is also en suite. Bathroom, wow. Maybe I can just sleep here. So this is the bath, has shower glass, the toilet, wash your hand, there's a mirror here. I like the tiles, very nice. Okay, let's check another room. Whoa, so this room has a different concept in terms of color combination. Wow, look at the POP lighting, very nice. Also another large room. So from here we're going to the family lounge. So this house has 2 balconies, one to this side as a smaller balcony, and then this door leads to the bigger balcony. Now let's take a look at the Oga Patakpata of them all, which is the master bedroom. Woo! Master. Who is the fairest of them all? Or is it Queen? Sorry, I can be joke. I joke a lot at times. But this is the master bedroom, big size master bedroom with a walk-in closet and the bathroom to the other side. And this door here also opens up to the balcony. So the master bedroom has access to the balcony as well as the walk-in closet area. All these parts, walk-in closet. And then here is the master's bathroom, glass shower, his and her sink, the mirror, the toilet. You would like this house if you want space. This house is ideal for you. Now let's take a look at the balcony. This is it. You come out in the morning or in the evening, you can have a cool nice time in your own house. This balcony is large. Very nice. Very nice. So that's it for the 4-bedroom duplex villa house.
I want to be in this kind of occasion where your key is handed over to you. Take action now. My name is Dennis Isong.